So I'm using spaghetti, but you could use any pasta that you wanted. We've got a beautiful cream sauce with bacon, garlic, and asparagus. Really simple to make and delicious. Welcome back once again to How to Cook Great. Okay, so this is super easy. I've got here some asparagus. I've got some kind of baby asparagus thin stuff, 100 grams. I've got about 4 or 5 rashers of bacon there, 1 onion cut nice and small. I've got a little bit of Parmesan, a tablespoon of garlic, 2 teaspoons of oregano. Here I've got 200 ml of cream. Now it doesn't matter if you use thick cream like me or thin cream, it's going to work out exactly the same. And then here I've got about 150 ml of the water from the pasta that I cooked. And here's the pasta. Here's my spaghetti ready. Right, let's get to the cooker. It's going to take no time at all. So I've got my pan here and I've got there some olive oil. You can use a different oil if you want. First, let's just drop our bacon in. And you can use a salted or unsalted. This is actually a salted back bacon. So we're on an above medium heat. What we're going to do is we're going to cook this for about 4 to 5 minutes. Keep it moving. Okay, so I'm happy with my bacon there. If you want it crispier, you can go a bit longer, but we still do have a little cooking time to do. What we're going to do now is drop that onion in and the garlic. Little bit of salt. Don't go crazy with your salt because we're going to be adding cheese to this, and of course the bacon is salty. Bit of black pepper in there. Stay on this medium heat for another 3 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. Look, now while that's cooking, what I've done is I've kept the spears, the very end of the asparagus there, and the longer stalks I've cut nice and small like that. In fact, they can go in now. Let's get them in now, but hold back on the spears because they're just a little bit more delicate than the bottom part is. And if you were using the bigger asparagus, the very bottom of it, discard it because it can be very woody. Back in a moment. Fabulous. Let's get that little bit of dried herb in there, that little bit of oregano. Then we're going to add our cream. And like I said, I'm using a thick cream, but don't worry if you're using a thick cream or a thin cream. That's 250 ml. And I'm going to put in about 150 of the pasta water. In fact, there's a bit of spaghetti there. I'll fetch that out in a moment. Give that a little mix. Keep it on this medium heat and go for just 2 minutes. Keep it moving all the time now. Beautiful. Now we're going to get the asparagus spears or the tops in. We're going to add that freshly grated Parmesan. And whatever you do, don't use that dried sort of stuff, that kind of dehydrated Parmesan or whatever it is. It's really disgusting. It's better that you don't put any in, to be honest. 90 seconds, keep it moving. Beautiful. Really fabulous. Okay, let's get our pasta in. I'm going to get my cooked spaghetti in there, which is still hot. And I just found that out because I just picked a load of it up in my hand and burnt myself. Silly me. 2 more minutes. Stirring this in. We've got ourselves a really beautiful, easy spaghetti. Okay, and there you go, just so easy, fabulous, really easy, super delicious. I really hope you enjoy that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much indeed for watching our videos. It means a great deal to us. Please do hit the thumbs up for us if you like it. Thumbs down if you don't, I suppose. Yeah, don't do that, just do that. Yeah, and subscribe to us, that would really help us out a lot. We've just hit 100 million views, we're very excited about that. We would love if you could support what we're doing. We don't do any ads or endorse any products at all, even though we're offered it quite a lot of it rubbish, to be honest. But yeah, we don't want to be doing that. So we've got a little PayPal thing. If you want to buy us a coffee, just a couple of dollars or whatever you want, you can just follow the link, which should be about here now. And yeah, pay me some money, I'm broke. Lots of love.